Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I'm going to teach you how you can fix the CS or the Counter-Strike Go VAC was unable to verify your game session error. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information that I am going to show you and tell you. So let's get on it. So the first solution is to relog in into your or to relog in into your Steam client or restart your Steam client. So there are some changes in the regular operating system framework which leads to the VAC was unable to verify your game session error eventually. So an easy way to solve the problem is to relog in into your Steam account. But if it doesn't work, you can try restarting your Steam. So here's the detailed steps to do that. First, you need to open your Steam and then just click onto your profile name at the top right corner of the Steam. Then just select log out of account from the drop down menu, and there will be a pop-up window reminding you that this will log you out of Steam, and you will need to re-enter your account name and password to use Steam again. So just click log out to continue, and after that you can re-log into your account by following the on-screen instructions. And then you can try opening CSGO or the other program that receives the error VAC was unable to verify your game session and check if the error persists. And if it still exists, you can follow these steps right here to restart your Steam client. So first you need, or in your Steam client, just click the Steam from the upper left corner and then just click the exit button and then open the Steam again, and in the interface click this Steam and choose go offline. So in the following window, check restart in offline mode. So click the Steam option and then just select go online. So then in the pop-up window, click restart and go online. And once the Steam is restarted, launch your game and check if the error VAC was unable to verify your game session disappears. So remember you can always pause this video or go back to the video and follow the steps at your own time. So after this step, if you still see the VAC wasn't able to verify your game session on your CSGO, you can move to the next solution, which is to simply restart the PC. So if the certain computer items which are utilized to protect the game right of users are already used by other third-party programs, errors like VAC was unable to verify your game session might appear. So to solve the problem, you can restart your device to end all the programs which might lead to this error. So then you can launch the Steam and check if the error or if the CSGO works properly without the error message about the VAC. And then if the problem still didn't, or if the solution still didn't fix the problem, you can go ahead and do this solution right here, which is to verify the game files. So when you enter or when you encounter the VAC was unable to verify the game session error, there may be some missing or corrupted game files. So you should check them with Steam client. So to do that, first go into your Steam and then click the library from the toolbar. So after that, just right click on to your game, which is the Counter-Strike Global Offensive, and then select the properties. And then in that, choose the local files tab and then click verify integrity of game files. And just wait for a while patiently. When the process is completed, then you can go ahead and click on to the close. So that's it for this video. That are some solutions or possible solutions to fix the error. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.